Have you ever wondered what a government agency actually is? In our daily lives, we often hear about agencies making decisions, enforcing rules, or providing services. But what exactly are these organizations, and how do they fit into the structure of government? In this video, we'll break down the concept of a government agency, explore its roles, and see why they matter to every citizen. Let's start by understanding the basic definition and purpose of a government agency. A government agency is an organization established by a government to carry out specific functions. These functions can range from regulating industries, enforcing laws, to providing public services. Agencies are created to focus on particular areas that require specialized knowledge or consistent oversight. They operate at various levels, including federal, state, and local, and are essential for implementing government policies and programs. By delegating tasks to agencies, governments ensure that complex issues are managed efficiently and effectively. Government agencies exist to handle specific tasks that are too complex or specialized for the general government structure. For example, regulating food safety, managing national parks, or overseeing financial markets all require dedicated attention and expertise. By creating agencies, governments can assign experts to focus on these areas, ensuring that regulations are enforced and services are delivered efficiently. This division of labor helps the government function smoothly and respond to the needs of society. There are many types of government agencies, each with its own mission and responsibilities. Some agencies are regulatory, meaning they create and enforce rules for specific industries or activities. Others are service-oriented, providing direct assistance to the public, such as healthcare or education. Still, others focus on research, security, or administration. Understanding the different types of agencies helps us see how government functions are divided and managed. At the national level, federal agencies play a crucial role in implementing laws passed by the legislature. Examples include the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, which protects the environment, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, which enforces federal laws. These agencies have authority across the entire country and often work with state and local agencies to achieve their goals. Federal agencies are vital for maintaining national standards and addressing issues that affect the whole nation. State agencies operate within individual states and are responsible for carrying out state laws and programs. For instance, a state's Department of Transportation manages highways and public transit, while a state health department oversees public health initiatives. These agencies tailor their services to the unique needs of their state's population, working closely with local governments and sometimes with federal agencies to ensure effective governance. Local government agencies serve cities, counties, or municipalities. They handle services like police and fire departments, local schools, and sanitation. Local agencies are often the most visible to citizens as they directly impact daily life. Their close connection to the community allows them to respond quickly to local needs and concerns, making them a vital part of the government structure. Regulatory agencies are tasked with creating and enforcing rules within specific sectors. For example, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, regulates food and medicine, while the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, oversees financial markets. These agencies protect public interests by ensuring safety, fairness, and compliance with the law. Their work helps maintain trust in essential systems and industries. Service agencies focus on delivering direct benefits to the public. Examples include the Social Security Administration, which provides retirement and disability benefits, and public health agencies that offer vaccinations and health education. These agencies are essential for supporting citizens' well-being and ensuring access to important resources and services. Some government agencies are independent, meaning they operate outside the direct control of executive departments. These agencies, like the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, or the Federal Reserve, have unique missions and are often designed to be insulated from political influence. Their independence allows them to make decisions based on expertise and long-term goals rather than short-term political pressures. Executive agencies are part of the executive branch and are directly overseen by the president or governor. They carry out the day-to-day administration of government policies and programs. Examples include the Department of Education and the Department of Defense. These agencies play a key role in translating laws into action and ensuring that government runs smoothly. Quasi-governmental agencies are organizations that have some government authority but operate more like private businesses. Examples include the United States Postal Service and Fannie Mae. These agencies often generate their own revenue and have more flexibility than traditional government bodies, but they still serve public purposes and are subject to government oversight. Government agencies are typically created by legislation. Lawmakers identify a need for specialized oversight or services and pass laws establishing new agencies. The legislation outlines the agency's mission, powers, and structure. Once established, Agencies are funded through government budgets and staffed with professionals who have expertise in the relevant field. Most government agencies have a hierarchical structure, with a director or administrator at the top, followed by various departments and staff. This structure allows for clear lines of authority and responsibility. Departments within an agency may focus on different aspects of the agency's mission, such as enforcement, research, or public outreach. This organization helps agencies operate efficiently and achieve their goals. Agencies are funded through government budgets, which are approved by legislatures. Some agencies also collect fees or generate revenue through services. Funding is essential for hiring staff, maintaining facilities, and carrying out programs. The amount of funding an agency receives can impact its effectiveness and the scope of its activities. Government agencies employ a wide range of professionals, from scientists and engineers to administrators and public relations specialists. Staff are selected based on their expertise and experience, ensuring that agencies have the knowledge needed to fulfill their missions. Training and professional development are important for keeping staff up to date with changing laws and technologies. Agencies are granted specific powers by the laws that create them. These powers may include making regulations, enforcing laws, issuing licenses, or conducting investigations. The scope of an agency's authority is defined by its enabling legislation, and agencies must operate within those boundaries. This legal framework ensures accountability and prevents abuse of power. One of the main functions of many agencies is rulemaking. Agencies draft regulations to implement laws passed by the legislature. This process usually involves research, public input, and careful consideration of potential impacts. Once finalized, these rules have the force of law and must be followed by individuals and businesses within the agency's jurisdiction. Agencies are often responsible for enforcing the laws and regulations they create. This can include conducting inspections, investigating complaints, and taking action against violators. Enforcement ensures that rules are followed and that public interests are protected. Agencies may have their own enforcement officers or work with other law enforcement bodies. Many agencies are responsible for issuing licenses and permits for activities such as driving, operating a business, or practicing a profession. This process ensures that individuals and organizations meet certain standards before engaging in regulated activities. Licensing helps protect the public by ensuring competence and compliance with the law. Agencies provide a wide range of public services, from maintaining roads and parks to offering healthcare and education. These services are designed to improve quality of life and ensure that basic needs are met. Agencies work to make these services accessible, efficient, and responsive to the needs of the community. Some agencies focus on research and data collection to inform policy decisions. For example, the Census Bureau gathers demographic information, while the National Institutes of Health conducts medical research. This work provides valuable insights that guide government action and help address complex challenges. Agencies are subject to oversight by legislatures, courts, and the public. Oversight ensures that agencies act within their legal authority and use resources responsibly. Mechanisms such as audits, hearings, and public reporting help maintain transparency and accountability, building trust in government operations. The powers of government agencies are balanced by checks from other branches of government. Courts can review agency actions to ensure they comply with the law, while legislatures can change agency powers or funding. This system of checks and balances prevents any one agency from becoming too powerful and protects individual rights. Citizens can participate in agency processes by providing feedback on proposed rules, attending public meetings, or submitting complaints. Public participation helps agencies understand community needs and improve their policies. Engaging with agencies is an important way for people to influence government decisions that affect their lives. Transparency is a key principle for government agencies. Agencies are required to keep the public informed about their activities, decisions, and spending. This is often achieved through public reports, open meetings, and accessible records. Transparency builds trust and allows citizens to hold agencies accountable for their actions. Government agencies often face challenges such as limited funding, political pressure, and changing public needs. Adapting to new technologies, responding to emergencies, and managing complex regulations can be difficult. Despite these challenges, agencies strive to fulfill their missions and serve the public effectively. Modern agencies are increasingly using technology to improve efficiency and service delivery. Digital platforms allow for faster communication, easier access to information, and streamlined processes. Embracing technology helps agencies meet the expectations of a digital society and respond more effectively to citizens' needs. Some agencies are specifically designed to respond to emergencies, such as natural disasters or public health crises. Agencies like FEMA coordinate disaster relief, while health agencies manage disease outbreaks. Quick and effective response is critical for minimizing harm and helping communities recover. Some government agencies work internationally, collaborating with other countries on issues like trade, security, and the environment. Agencies such as the State Department or international aid organizations play a key role in representing national interests and addressing global challenges. Many issues require cooperation between multiple agencies. For example, responding to a natural disaster might involve emergency management, health, and transportation agencies working together. Effective interagency cooperation ensures that resources are used efficiently and that responses are coordinated. Agencies communicate with the public through press releases, websites, social media, and public meetings. Clear communication helps inform citizens about important issues, services, and emergencies. Keeping the public informed is a critical part of an agency's mission. Agencies are regularly evaluated to ensure they are meeting their goals and using resources wisely. Performance audits, reviews, and public feedback all play a role in assessing agency effectiveness. Continuous evaluation helps agencies improve and adapt to changing needs. Let's look at some well-known government agencies. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, focuses on environmental health. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, regulates air travel, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, manages public health. Each agency has a specific mission and plays a unique role in society. Government agencies impact our daily lives in many ways, from ensuring clean water and safe food to providing emergency services and public education. Their work often goes unnoticed, but it is essential for maintaining order, safety, and quality of life. Understanding how agencies function helps us appreciate their role in society. Citizens have rights when dealing with government agencies, including the right to access information, appeal decisions, and receive fair treatment. Agencies must follow laws that protect individual rights and provide avenues for complaints or appeals. Knowing your rights helps you interact effectively with agencies. If you need to contact a government agency, you can usually find information on their official website. Many agencies offer phone, email, and in-person support. Reaching out to the right agency can help you get answers to questions, resolve issues, or access services you need. If you have a problem with a government agency, there are processes for filing complaints or appeals. Agencies are required to investigate complaints and provide responses. This system helps ensure accountability and gives citizens a way to seek redress if they feel wronged. Agencies are always looking for ways to improve their services and operations. This can include adopting new technologies, streamlining processes, or seeking feedback from the public. Continuous improvement helps agencies stay effective and responsive to changing needs. The future of government agencies will be shaped by new challenges and opportunities. Advances in technology, changing demographics, and evolving public expectations will require agencies to adapt. By staying flexible and innovative, agencies can continue to serve the public effectively in the years ahead. There are many myths about government agencies, such as the idea that they are always inefficient or unresponsive. In reality, agencies are made up of dedicated professionals working to serve the public. While challenges exist, most agencies strive to be effective, transparent, and accountable. Government agencies exist in every country, but their structure and functions can vary widely. Some countries have centralized agencies, while others have more decentralized systems. Comparing agencies around the world helps us understand different approaches to governance and public service. Government agencies play a vital role in democratic societies by implementing laws, protecting rights, and providing services. Their work supports the functioning of government and helps ensure that citizens' voices are heard. Agencies are a bridge between elected officials and the public, translating policy into action. To sum up, government agencies are specialized organizations that carry out essential functions for society. They enforce laws, provide services, and ensure the smooth operation of government. Understanding how agencies work helps us appreciate their importance and empowers us to engage with them effectively. Government agencies are a fundamental part of modern society. They touch every aspect of our lives, from the air we breathe to the roads we travel. By understanding what agencies are and how they operate, we can better navigate the world around us and participate more fully in our communities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of government agencies.